Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about functions in programming and types of functions which are predefined and user-defined functions. Introduction to functions. A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. It helps in code reusability and modular programming. Makes programming easier to read and maintain. For example, this is a basic function printf which we use to get output, which is a predefined function. Syntax of function. Return type, function name, parameters, curly braces, and the body of the function. For example, int, add, int a and int b. Int a and int b here are the parameters. Add is a function which we are defining, and int is a data type. Here we are returning the value of a plus b. And the types of functions. There are two types of functions: predefined or library functions and user-defined functions. Predefined functions are already defined in standard libraries which are in the header files which we include at the start of the programming. These are used for common tasks. For example, printf, scanf, sqrt, strlen, pow. These are the examples of predefined functions. Basic code for predefined function include stdio.h and include math.h, int main curly brace, double number 16, printf square root equal to percentile 2f. Here we are printing the square root of 16, so we are using the function square root, which is a predefined one. This is included in the math.h header file. User defined functions created by the programming for specific task. These functions are created by us to perform a specific task which we want to do. Syntax is return type, function name, and parameter list. For example, int add, int a, and int b. Example of user-defined function. Hash include stdio.h, int add, int a, and int b, and return the value of a plus. We are returning the value of a plus b. For example, int result equal to add 10 and 20, printf sum equal to percentile d result, return 0. The value of 10 and 20 will be added and given as the output at here. Categories of user-defined functions. No arguments, no return value, which means no parameters and no return value. With arguments and no return value. No arguments and with return value. With arguments and return value. These are the categories of user-defined functions, or we can call as styles, which we use. Advantages of functions. Functions avoids repetition of code, makes programming modular, means we can short easier debugging and testing since the code is easily readable, promotes code reusability, and improves readability. Thanks for watching.